Hi Sagittarius, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for July 1st to the 15th for you. I will be looking at the current energies, and if the current energies resonate with you, then the outcome that I pick up for the next 15 days will also resonate with you. I will be ending the reading with a couple of oracle cards from the universe. So, if the reading resonates, then please let me know in the comments. Also, guys, if you're interested in crystals and knowing more about them, I have started an Instagram page called mishyblue_merchandise. You can have a look at that, and you can subscribe, follow it so that you can get the updates if you want to. It's mishyblue_merchandise. Link is there in the description, so you can have a look at that. Okay, so let us begin. Let's see what is going on with you currently, Sagittarius. What is going on with Sagittarius? Strength, Page of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Ten of Cups. Okay, I'm taking all these cards. Something has come your way which is giving you a lot of happiness. I see a lot of happiness here. Somehow you're trying to control yourself. Maybe you're not expressing how happy you feel about it. Because maybe you feel that no, this is not the time, or something like that. You feel very happy from within. There is some divine sense of knowing in you which tells you that this is special, but you're keeping it all inside you. I see that somewhere you like it, but you are probably showing only 10% of it that yes, I like it. It is leading you towards the fulfillment that you wanted. Let me clarify the strength card. Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, the Fool, the World, Six of Wands. Okay. So there is definitely a thought to put in. I mean, there is still some confusion in terms of whether I should invest myself fully or not. I am seeing that you want it. You want it. You want it to be successful. You don't want to lose out on this. Okay, and you are kind of waiting for the right time to make the right moves. So basically you're not getting overwhelmed with happiness and doing something in the heat of the moment. Okay, that is what I'm seeing in the current situation. Now if this resonated, let's see what can you expect in these 15 days. What can you expect in these 15 days? The World again. Four of Wands. Finally. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. Things stabilizing. Things stabilizing, and I also see you working on the fallout, because this is a very strong connection that you have in your life. Okay, I feel that all of the problems that were taking place, or things that were just not being able to stabilize, all of those energies are going, because things have to now come into place. Like, things have to kind of become better now. It's moving in the right direction. So with the World twice, I'm seeing you will be successful in establishing what you want to in this whole endeavor, whatever this is. Okay, things will become better in these 15 days. I see a lot of passion, a lot of determination to make things happen. So it will establish itself in a proper manner. That is what I'm seeing. Now, let's see what you need to be careful about. What do you need to be careful about, Sagittarius? King of Swords, the Judgment, Four of Pentacles. Okay. Hold on to this person. Don't let this person go. Could be an air sign. You would know. I think at some point of time you would know that this person brings passion in your life. This person brings excitement in your life, or whatever this is. Okay, it is bringing in happiness in your life, which is indispensable. Okay, so you got to be careful, and I think you will be. So just understand that it's not here to, this thing is not here to go, it's here to stay. All right, so don't fret so much over it if you are, because things are stabilizing now. Okay, things are stabilizing now. I also feel somewhere that you might be wanting to freely be here in this situation. Let's see what is the guidance for you. What is the guidance and advice for you from the universe? Chop wood. Time to go. Time to go towards what? The Fates and Loyal Heart. Slowly, this is a love of a lifetime for you. It's going to the next level. Look at this card. There's another door here. It's moving in that direction. Let that happen. It will happen slowly. It won't happen like in a day. It takes time. It takes time to know each other, and it is a slow process. So let it be slow. It doesn't happen like right away. This is a connection of a lifetime, the faiths and the loyal heart. Whatever this is, it is coming, and whatever you guys are going through has to be gone through so that you can move in the right path. Quite a deep reading, Sajis. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. It's just given me jitters for a while. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. You can check out both my Instagram pages and stay tuned for info over there if you're interested. Private readings are open, as I said. Leave your comments below. I'd really like to know if this reading resonated with you, Saj. Alright, take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye.